welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have a small shop unboxing, and this is from August and September. It does look like quite a bit, but I've been collecting instead of just doing one or two at a time. I thought, well, I'll just wait and do this at the end of the month. And I am really excited to do this. Number one, I have not even looked at this, so I haven't even seen what's on most of these. There's a couple that I have open, but I haven't used them, so I want to go ahead and get started using my new goodies. So I'm going to move everything over to the side, and we'll go with the one that's already open here. Move this over. I'm trying to be really careful because I also have my address on all of these. Don't want to give away too much information. I have some pins. I have some trays, some washi. The first is this gorgeous pin. Look how polished that this looks. This almost looks like leaves inside on this filament, and it is just a pretty orange, and it has red on the filament side here. This is from Monarch Designs, YEG, and this, it says, live every day to the fullest, smile and diamond paint, which I really love that. I also won this pin. This was a giveaway that was hosted by Cindy on Instagram, and it was for the Cheryl Baker event, and I actually won. And so this is Aaron and Nicole are the owners on Monarch Designs, and I just love this pen and their generosity. So cannot wait to use that. So I'm going to move this over to the side here. Also, as part of that giveaway was a really cute cover minder from Saban. It is a gorgeous pumpkin, and I love Saban's work. I've actually purchased from Monarch Designs one time in the past, and I have really enjoyed their pen, so I was really excited to win that one. Also, as part of Monarch Designs, they did give me a cute cover minder. You have the fox head here, and then you have the fox's back end here as a cover minder. So, I mean, how cute is that? So that's those two. Then I have everything else I have paid for. But I was really excited when I won. I never win anything. I don't usually put my name in to win, but for Cindy's I did, and I actually won. So these are Bella Art Dana Cole trays. Love their trays. And here is their card. And theirs comes with a top here, and also comes with a stopper. You can pull the stopper out. It is a line tray. I love this color. Then we also have another one that's identical, but it is blue. And these are two of the, I think these are the medium-sized trays. I'm not 100% certain, but I think they are medium-sized trays. The next one is from Leopard Leather Works, and I have never purchased from them before. They were a sponsor with the Cheryl Baker event, and so I wanted to try them. I saw their pins and thought they were really pretty, and so I wanted to try their pins, and look how gorgeous that this is. I just can't get over how pretty the swirls are. I love all the colors. There's some greens in there mixed with blues, some pinks at the top. Also came with a, I think this may be a 6-placer, but it is a, it has like 4 bumps, 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps, or five bumps here, and it is a thinner pen. I have several trays as well as other canvases I'm working on that will be perfect for. So that's going to be fun. I love trying out new shops. The next one is cat proof trays. I have purchased from Cat Proof before, and they have an orange one. Wanted that one for the season, but look at this. This is why I got it. It says cat proof trays on here, and it is a picture of a cat. The cat is on the tray, so I love that. Had to get it. Also, what cat proof trays do is they have these little die cuts of cats that they put in all their trays, and I put those in a small bag. I use those on my cards when I make cards. Also, she has some candy in here. Let's see. And a cute little cover minder. This little bear cover minder. It's kind of hard to see. And then there's some candy in here. And then a couple of stickers. Let's move this out of the way. It's hard to keep up with all of this. The next one is from Saban. So I have more cover minders. Let's see. Let me grab my scissors here. I didn't want to open these until I shared with you guys. I just love her cover minders. They are so unique. They are just gorgeous. They are heavyweight. But look how pretty that this is. I love sunflowers. So I saw the sunflower. I saw the little basket. And it's very blingy, so I had to get it. If you're not sure what a cover minder is, it has magnets on the back, and you just put this on one side, the side of your canvas, and you put the magnet on the other side, and it holds your plastic back. So that's one that I got from her. And then the other one I got from her is almost identical, if it's not identical to the one that I won. And I'm okay with that because I can always use more than one. And it is. I must have really loved this one because I have this one and I also won this one from Saban. So I am happy with that. My daughter will have one. I will have one. And then, you know, guys, I love owls. So how cute is this little fancy owl? I saw this one and I thought, this is a Christmas owl. And to me it is, because she looks like she was wearing a Christmas cap. So I had to get that one. And then Saban has some washi that she included in here, as well as a little thank you card and some candy. So I'm going to put that over to the side. My next item here, this is from Amanda Michelle Designs, and I have more washi. Not that I really needed washi, but I use washi quite a bit. So I have some little Christmas gnomes washi. And I have Ghost. Thought that was really cute. Friendly Ghost. And then I'm not sure what this is. This came with my order. And it's just little, it says Merry Christmas, Santa Claus, best wishes. And it's just really small, cute little Christmas cards here. I can definitely use those with my Christmas cards I'm working on. And I have little cats with pumpkins. That one's going to be really cute. I'm going to put that one on my Halloween cat that I'm working on. And then I have these little pumpkins, pink. She has a sucker here, and then a thank you card here with, it looks like, some die cuts inside. Trying to make room here. Let's see. I have 3 more. My next item is from Elizabeth and Edward, which I absolutely adore. Elizabeth and Edward. These are custom made pins. And when I met Elizabeth and Edward at the retreat, I saw a pin that someone was using, and so I asked Edward if they still had that filament, and he said they were going to get more in. And so when they did, Elizabeth contacted me and asked me if I still wanted that, and I told her that I did. So when she sent me the one, I saw another one, and so they went ahead and I got that one too. Let me open this one. And if you have not purchased a pin from Enabler's Outpost, they have pin drops on, I believe it's either Friday or Saturday. I will put all the information for these companies underneath the description. Look how pretty that is. Again, that just screams fall to me. It's hard for you guys to see, but it has red in it, real dark red. And then it also has some white that's mixed in here, a little bit of black. But I love this pin. I love the colors. I love how, when I hold it, how it feels. They also have a 2-placer, and I think this is a 6-placer. I don't use a 7-placer. I prefer using steel tips or metal tips rather than the plastic, but I do keep those just in case I run out. And then here is another pin. I love this pin. I'm trying to get this out of here. I can do that later. It also comes with a 2 and a 7-placer. And look at this one. Look how blingy. I love bling. This one is green and purple. It's a very thin pin. I love both of these. I have 2 more items here. I'm trying to move everything out of the way, and then I will show you at the end exactly what all I've gotten. This is another pin. I will not need pins for a while. I haven't collected pins in a long time, and then I decided I wanted to get another pin, and by another I ended up getting several pins, but I probably will not buy any more pins unless I get a Christmas pin at the end of the year. But I have plenty of pins. I need to have a better way of keeping up with my pins so I can remember where I've purchased all of my pins. There is a thank you card, which that's really sweet. I have things everywhere. Let's see. It says thank you. It says, Debbie, thank you so much for your generous support. We are very grateful. We hope you enjoy Fall Owl and Hello Flower Girl. Happy painting. And this is from Laura. So that's really sweet. I like how they have it wrapped, almost like a little package. I have my scissors handy. Let me open these. Sorry for all the crinkling. It also comes in a nice little pin case. And look, another owl. I saw this one and it's like, nope, that is going in my cart and is going in my cart right now. But I just love how the little owl's there, the big eyes. And I like how this pin is just different colors. It's purple, it has green and pink in it. And it has more sparklies at the top. but that is just gorgeous. That's a heavyweight pen too. So I had to get the owl. You will definitely see these on upcoming whip and chats. I will definitely be showcasing all of my new pens and my new trays. And then look at this one, Hello Kitty. I saw this one and then, yep, Hello Kitty. I had to have her. And this has flowers inside with Hello Kitty, and also has some really pretty, it looks like, can't really tell what's inside there, but little gold flex pieces. It's dark blue on the back. But I thought this was just really special. And if I get pins that are different like this, then I definitely remember where they came from. Okay, I have one more. This is also a new shop to me. This one is from Bijou Bliss, and it is a cover minder and it is a tray. I have never used their trays before. I have seen them and I wanted to try one. This one has a cat, which I have a black cat, and the cat is sitting on the moon. Thought this would be also perfect for all my Halloween canvases I plan on working on. I really do like this tray. It comes with a stopper and it is magnetic. They also have some other Halloween ones. They have pumpkins, and I definitely want to get a pumpkin next. They didn't have the pumpkin whenever I ordered this one. And then here is the little cover minder. So definitely have plenty that I can use for a while. So let me put all of this up here. This is a cover minder that they included, but here's a cover minder that matches the tray. Let me open this up. Isn't that cute? It matches the tray. So I've got this, and I did not show you this either. This came with my Hello Kitty pen. So let me move all of this over to the side, and I will show you everything that I have gotten. So here is my new stash. I did not realize that I now have 6 new pens. Of course, one of the new pens was a giveaway, so do I count that one as a purchase? No. So I can say that I only had to purchase 5 pens, but I love all of them. The 6th one was just an added bonus. But now I have plenty of trays for the fall, because I really didn't have that many fall trays, or Halloween especially. So now I am definitely ready to start on my October Halloween canvases. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please click on the like button. That really does help. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I think that you would like it here. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.